Hi students, good morning all of you. Welcome back to my video class. Today discuss that exercise second question. The picture shows an equilateral triangle of it divided into two halves by a line by a vertex. Picture shows equilateral triangle out. The picture shows an equilateral triangle cut into half by a line through a vertex. Question number A. What is the perimeter of a part? How much less than the perimeter of a triangle? Which triangle is this? Original triangle and cut two triangle. That perimeter is want to find out and find the difference. Here equilateral triangle sides are given 2 cm. Equilateral triangle 2 cm, now 2 meter is given in the figure. 2 meter. Then equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. All angles are 60. But 60 degrees cut a line from the vertex to the bottom. Therefore, it is 30. Therefore, you are studying basic concept. One is angle 45, 45, 90. Sides ratio is 1:1 root 2. Here, angles are given 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. What are the angles? 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Therefore, you are using that method, you will find out the sides. 60 degree sides ratio 1:root 3:2. Therefore, here 90 opposite is 2 meter. Sides ratio using and find out this, or otherwise using Pythagoras. Now first using Pythagoras. Here 2 meter, it is divided into 1. So what is height? Height is hypotenuse square minus base square. Hypotenuse square is 2, base is 1. Therefore 2 square is 4 minus 1 square is 1, 3. Height square is equal to 3. Therefore what is height here? Root 3 meter. Root 3 meter. Therefore this side is got. First find the difference of first sides you have got. Find the sides of each part. What is the part? 2 meter, 1 meter, root 3 meter. Using this also, using the 30 opposite 1, 60 opposite side is root 3, 90 opposite is 2. Already using Pythagoras, sides ratio is using and find. 30 degree opposite 1, 60 degree opposite is root 3. Here 60 opposite is root 3 cm. This is easy. For higher class next year 10th standard also using this method, or Pythagoras is using. The first step is more. The what is the simple method? 30 opposite is given 1, 90 opposite is 2. The what is 60 opposite root 3. Sides ratio is 30, 60, 90. 1:root 3:2. Therefore height is root 3. Then first find the perimeter of all triangle. What is the perimeter? Perimeter of a triangle ABC. 3 sides are adding. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now equal to 6 meter. Area of the triangle, part of the triangle. Area of the part of the triangle ABC. Therefore area of the part of the triangle D. Therefore it's 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree. 1, 2, therefore 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Perimeter of a whole triangle 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 meter. Perimeter of triangle AB 2 plus 1 plus root 3. Therefore 3 plus root 3. 3 plus root 3. 3 plus root 3 is 1.732. Therefore 4.732. Then difference of the perimeter. Difference of the perimeter is Difference of the perimeter is 6 minus 4.73. Then 6 minus 6 means 0, 6.00. 4.732. Therefore, therefore 1 is borrowed. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. 1 is borrowed, therefore 5 minus 4, 1. Therefore, 1.268 meter. What is the perimeter of the part of the triangle? 6. Wall triangle is 6. Part of the triangle 4.732. What is the difference? Find the difference means subtract and write 1.268 meter. Then equilateral triangle. One is all sides are equal. The line drawn from this side, therefore it is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, two sides you got, therefore find third side using Pythagoras theorem. Therefore height square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. 2 square minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3 root. Or another method, this is the important method. Angles are given 30. Here 60, 60, therefore this 30. Angles of this part of the triangle 30 degree, 60 degree, 90. Therefore 90 opposite to 30 opposite to 1. Therefore what is the 60 opposite? 60 opposite is root 3. Or write 90 opposite. 90 opposite. Therefore sides write root 3x, 2x. 2x side is given. 90 opposite is 2x. 90 opposite is right 2x. 30 opposite is right 1x. 60 opposite is right root 3x. Therefore 2x place is 2. Therefore what is x? 2 by 2, 1. Therefore 1 to start, find the other three sides. 30 opposite 1x, 1 into 1, 1. Root 3x, other side is adding. Root 3x, root 3 into x. X is 1, therefore root 3. Any one method is using and find the sides and find. Second question is find the perimeter difference. Wall triangle and perimeter of the part of the triangle. Perimeter means total distance covered. Therefore adding all sides, therefore we get